Hey there guys, this is a random DVD collector here, and I'm gonna be showing you my random DVDs. So let's get started. First one we got is How to Train Your Dragon 2, the 2014 DVD, or shall I say How to Train Your Dragon Da. And it has the 20th Century Fox Home Entertainment logo, so yeah. Here's the red disc. We don't care about this. Yay! Next to the business, Go Diego, Go the Great Dinosaur Rescue. Or shall I say, Stop Diego, Stop the Bad Dinosaur Rescue. It has Diego saves the baby humpback whale and rescue of the Red at Fox Club. And the Go Diego, Go theme song in this. So yeah. Here's the disc. We don't care about this. Next to the business is Sonic the Hedgehog. Or shall I say Sonic the Sketchhog. And has elemental scenic close appearing at the end of the movie and the Paramount Pictures logo with Sonic's rings in this. So yeah. Here's the Born Grey disc. We don't care about this. Next to the business is B-Movie. Or shall I say Stupid B-Movie. And has the DreamWorks Animation SKG Home Entertainment logo, so yeah. Here's the golden orange disc. We don't care about this. The next DVD is Madagascar, the 2005 DVD. Or shall I say Madagascar Crashed. And has the DreamWorks Animation logo, so yeah. Here's the blue disc. We don't care about this. And next up in business is Shrek. Or should I say Shrunk, because this movie sucks. It has the DreamWorks Animation SKG Home Entertainment logo. Same with B-Movies. So yeah. Here's the green disc. We don't care about this. The last stupid business we have is How to Train Your Dragon, the 2010 DVD. Or shall I say How to Not Train Your Dragon. And it has the DreamWorks Animation SKG Home Entertainment logo. Same with B-Movie and Shrek. So yeah. Here's a blue disc. Same with Madagascar. We're not caring about this for the last time. Okay, that's all my DVDs now. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, so you will not miss a new video from my channel. Until then, I'm signing off. Bye.